I am one of them girls that like to get stuff from side the road. Yeah, that's me.
I'm on the stage right now, singing your face.
Welcome back to my channel. I'm RaShoda, and this is RaShoda's Reality. So today is Tuesday, September the 30th. Today I'm washing clothes. I actually brought the clothes here yesterday to get washed, but I wasn't able to dry them because I ran out of time. I had to go to work. So now I am back because they spoiled. Have y'all ever washed clothes? Forgot they was in the washing machine and they spoiled. We had to wash them all over again. I despise that. So I'm back. I'm gonna go down the drain, but it's okay. I guess got clean clothes. So we're getting clean now. Show y'all. So we're getting clean now, and I gotta do that. I'm gonna do a few dash runs for some extra money before I go to work. I swear I work like 20 hours a day, and I feel like my day never ends. I'm so tired and exhausted. I can't wait till I get to a place where I can just chill. I'm tired. But anyway, y'all have a fantastic day. And check it out. So y'all, I am one of them girls that like to get stuff from side the road. Yeah, that's me. And guess what I found? A freaking washer and a dryer for the free. I hope it worked, but we finna unload the dryer. We got the dryer in the car now. We finna unload it, and then we gotta go back. Freaking bugs. Come on.
drowning in my tears at night, haunted by the limelight. Ooh, you are the way, the truth, the life I seek, I find. So glad I finally realized I've got a lifeline. God, you are the lifeline. God, you are the lifeline. I searched all over, not like Jehovah, Rapha, Nisi, never leave me. Remember times you were my only friend. Now it's me and you, there is no end. And I'm forever your lady. I'll be forever your baby. There ain't no ifs, ands, or maybes. You are, you are, you